Good day, sir. My name is Paul Jan A. Bulansag, and the topic I am instructed to report is application of the sample distribution of the sample mean. So, introduction. The sample distribution of the sample mean is a fundamental concept in statistics, which is called the distribution of sample means over repeated sampling from the same population. It is crucial for differential statistics, allowing researchers to make estimate about population parameter based on sample data. This report explores the concept, its properties, and practical application. So para mas masabta na ito kung sa application of the sampling distribution of the sample mean, ay equation. The sampling distribution of the sample mean is the probability distribution of all possible sample mean of a given size of a population. It provides insights into the behavior of a sample means and help in understanding how well a sample mean estimate a population mean. To calculate the sample standard deviation in application of the sampling distribution of the sample mean, you need to use this formula, which is OX equals O over square root of N. OX means sample standard deviation, O means population standard deviation, and N stands for sample size. So to calculate the application of the sampling distribution of the sample mean, we need to use this formula. So Z equals X minus mu over OX. So X equals means sample mean, mu equals population mean, and OX equals sample standard deviation. Properties. Central limit theory, or CLT. The CLT states that for a sufficiently large sample size, the sample distribution of the sample mean will be approximately normally distributed, regardless of the population distribution, provided the population has a finite variance. For a population mean and standard deviation, the mean of the sample distribution of the sample mean is and the standard deviation, where n is the sample size. Conclusion. The sample distribution of the sample mean is a cornerstone of inferential statistics, providing the foundation of estimation, hypothesis testing, quality control, and survey analysis. Its properties guided by the central limit theory enable the statistician to make reliable inference about population parameter based on sample data. Understanding and applying this concept allows for more accurate and meaningful interpretation of statistical analysis.